Hello guys, I'm back with another video. It's me with no eyebrows and messy hair. And today we're going to use neem leaves in 3 different ways. 1/4 cup of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, you need to fill the cooking pot with water. Now you can add turmeric powder, add 1 teaspoon of tea tree oil. If you want, you can add other essential oils. Now add the apple cider vinegar. You can now add neem leaves to your cooking pot together with the other ingredients. And now after it boils, you can now transfer it to a container using a strainer. After that, I let it cool down for a few minutes and then I applied it to my hair. Neem is good for the skin. It fights acne, heals scars, and a good exfoliator. It can also be used as a good moisturizer. Just combine neem leaves with coconut oil, let it boil for a few minutes, and apply it after taking a shower or before taking a shower. And there you have it. 3 natural ways to use neem leaves: hair rinse, face scrub, and neem oil. My hair looks so healthy, bouncy, shiny, and so smooth. Thank you for watching. If you want more of this DIY, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I don't know what to say. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just so happy. Thank you, thank you, thank you.